Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on this makeup look. I love the way that this came out too. I like the purple, the pop of color in the waterline. I just love it. This is a full glam makeup. This is not an everyday look. If you're not into full glam makeup, then probably this is not the video to be watching. These colors just scream winter to me and I am really excited. So if you guys want to see how to create this makeup look, then keep on watching. All right, we're gonna start off with moisturizing our face. I am using the Clinique Gel Moisturizer. And then I'm going to grab my cat ears just to keep the hair out of my face. And then I am going to prime my eyes using my concealer. And then we're going to use this Tarte palette. This is a brand new palette I received for my birthday. It's a beautiful palette. I love all the colors. This is what we're mainly going to use on our eyes today. All right, so the first shade that we're gonna go in with is Seven Wonders. This is gonna go all over our crease, and we're just gonna make sure we blend it all the way up. We're gonna go from outer corner to inner corner, and just make sure that you blend it out really good. And then the next shade we're going is called Floaty. This is gonna go same place, just to darken it up some more. All right, next shade we're going into is called Destination. This is a bright fuchsia pink, kind of purple with some pink undertones. But we're gonna put this all over our lid. We're not being precise or anything. We're just basically putting it all over, just making it nice and blended. And then on top of that, we're gonna go in with Calypso. I think that's how you say it. But we're going to concentrate this mainly on the outer corner and in the inner corner. We're going to make sure that we smoke it out really good and blend it out into that other fuchsia color that we went in first. Just make sure that you blend just to make it nice and seamless, so you don't see any harsh lines. And then I am going to go in with some concealer. We're going to do like a spotlight eye. So I'm going to place some and then I'm going to look up to kind of mark where I want to cut it out. And then just kind of create that halo eye effect with your concealer. Okay, right here, I am going back with that shade Calypso just to darken that area, so I don't lose that darkness up there in my crease. Okay, and then I am going with that shade. It's called Lifeguard, and that shade right there, it's called Bitching. The Lifeguard is gonna go in the outer corner and in the inner corner, and then the other eyeshadow Bitching is gonna go right in the center, just to make it more bright. And one of those shades, it's not as pigmented as I wanted to. I did went in first with a brush, but then I picked up some with my finger, as you can see right there, just to make it more pigmented. And then I just go in with a pencil brush on the outer edges with the darker shade, just to blend it out and so you don't see any hard edges. Okay, now I am going with some eyeliner. This is a Kat Von D in the shade Trooper Black. We're just going to make a wing, a pretty big wing, kind of like a cat eye. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter and the NYX glitter glue. We're going to go on top of that eyeliner with a really small, precise brush. So what I usually do is I grab the NYX glue and I basically place it on top of my eyeliner. I just follow that eyeliner that I did at the beginning, and then I go in with the glitter on top of that, just so the glitter sticks to the glue. And then just as you can see, just follow your wing, and then go right when you're finished, go in again with your black liner just to clean up that edge. And then we're gonna go in with those lashes. Those are in the style Bonjour. And for my face, I use a Dior foundation that is on number 031. I did go in with my beauty blender. I sprayed some of that Ready Set Radiant by Tarte. And then I did realize that it works better with a brush. So I did switch for a foundation brush. It just helps better with the blending. And then going in with some concealer. This is a Tarte concealer, and this is light beige. And then I set it in with the Huda powder, that's banana bread. And then I'm gonna contour a little bit with the Tarteist Sculpt and Glow, and I went in with the Sculpt shade. And with the Shade and Light contour palette, I am gonna go in with the middle shade, that one right there, to bronze my face a little bit. And then with that Tarte blush in Ohana, I am just gonna put it on my cheeks. All right, going back into the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, I am grabbing Lit and Fire to highlight my face, and then I am going with that Too Faced pencil in white light. I'm gonna put it under my waterline, and then I'm gonna grab these two colors from the Morphe palette, grabbing the purple in the outer corner and in the inner corner. And then I am putting the blue right in the middle where I left that blank spot right there, as you can see. Going back to the Morphe palette, I am gonna grab that brown shade right there and put that under my under eye just to blend it out. And I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush with some more of the Destination from their first palette, that one right there, to blend it out under my eyes and just make it a little bit more smoky and just blend it under my under eye area. This is in the shade Work It. We're gonna pop that in the inner corner. And this is from BH Cosmetics. And then I am going to put some mascara and my MAC Fix Plus setting spray all over my face. I'm also going to put some of these Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Next, I am going to do my lips. This is the NYX pencil in the shade Nude, and on top of that, I'm going to put the Estee Lauder lipstick on the shade Unstoppable Ivory. This is a beautiful nude shade. Alright guys, so that is all. This concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below on what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!